Aloha! Welcome to KTA's Cooking on Recipes. I'm Chef Ryan Covert, and today we're going to make Mother's Day flan. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. In a medium saucepan, add sugar, water, and cook over medium-low heat until the sugar has a golden color. Carefully pour hot syrup into a 9-inch round glass baking dish, turning the dish evenly, coating the bottom and sides. Set aside. In a large bowl, beat eggs, add condensed milk, evaporated milk, vanilla, and mix until smooth. Pour egg mixture over the caramelized sugar. Cover with aluminum foil. Place the filled glass baking dish into a large pan and add 1 inch of water into the outer pan, making a water bath. Bake for 1 to 1.5 hours. Time will depend on your oven. Bake until the center of the flan is set but still slightly jiggly. You can also use the toothpick method to test if it comes out clean. If clean, the flan is cooked. Let cool completely and refrigerate for 1 hour to set. To serve, run a small knife around the flan to loosen. Turn over onto a separate plate. Shake gently to release flan. Carefully lift the glass dish, allowing the caramel syrup to run over the flan. Enjoy. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.